In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear history in Brave browser. First, I want you to launch the Brave browser on your device. This is the first step towards ensuring your online privacy. Brave is designed to protect your data, and clearing your history regularly is a good practice to maintain that security. Once you've opened the browser, the next thing you should do is click on the main menu icon. You'll find this icon in the top right corner of the Brave interface. It looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. This menu is your gateway to all the customization and privacy settings that Brave offers. After you've clicked the main menu icon, the next thing you'll want to do is select Settings. The Settings option is where all the configuration options for Brave reside. It's important because it allows you to tailor your browsing experience to your personal preferences. Now, from the Settings menu, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Privacy and Security. This section is crucial because it houses all the options related to keeping your data safe and private. Understanding these settings helps reinforce the reasons we choose Brave for secure browsing. After you've clicked Privacy and Security, the next step is to click on Clear Browsing Data. This option is the key to managing your browsing history. It's like hitting a refresh button for your privacy. By doing this, you have control over what data Brave keeps and what it discards. At this point, you'll see a list of different types of data you can choose to clear. Select History from that list. You can also choose the range of time for which you want to clear your history. This flexibility is important because it allows you to either clear your entire history or just the recent past, depending on your needs. Now, once you've selected the range of time and what data to clear, go ahead and click Delete from this device. This action will remove the selected history from your device. You will see a confirmation appear, reassuring you that your browsing history has been successfully cleared. Clearing your history like this helps keep your browsing activities private and secure. Brave is built with privacy in mind, and by regularly clearing your history, you're taking full advantage of those features. Remember, keeping your browsing data in check not only protects your privacy, but also optimizes the performance of your browser. This simple routine can save you a lot of time and potential headaches down the line. Following these steps ensures that your online activities remain your own business and no one else's. Now that you know how to clear your history, you can browse with more peace of mind. And there you have it. You've successfully cleared your history in Brave browser. Keep practicing these steps. They will become second nature, and you'll be well on your way to mastering your browser's privacy settings. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.